Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Offshore Life. So we are back in dynamic positioning operation doing subsea installation or subsea operation here at the SCHIEHALLION oil field, and currently we are with Simops operation or simultaneous operation with the Subsea Oceanic. So in this video ipapakita ko po sa inyo itong barko na to, because this is a very significant or very important vessel, because I've been with this vessel when it was still formerly as a normal Oceanic. So na-assign po ako sa may barko na to since 2011 until 2013. So I've started as dynamic positioning operator sa may barko na to as the first Filipino dynamic positioning operator assigned on this vessel, since he was still at the shipyard during the outfitting phase. So this vessel is a DP Class 3 offshore subsea construction vessel and one of the state-of-the-art offshore subsea construction of the fleet. So napakaganda po ng barko na yan, and I could say one of the most proficient or prominent vessel of the fleet. So currently ay natatanaw na lang po namin at a few hundred meters away from each other, working simultaneously together, and the name now is Subsea Oceanic, since it was bought by the new owner, and it was renamed from normal Oceanic into Subsea Oceanic. So bali gumagawa rin po sila dyan ng subsea operation, and together with kung ano po yung i-lay down nila sa may seabed, we are going to resume or we are going to continue. So ilo-lower po nila, then we are the one to do the pull-in operation and connection into the Christmas tree. So yan po yung operation na ginagawa namin ngayon here at the SCHIEHALLION oil field.